This will be the day that you will hear me say that I will never run away. I am here for